great.
Got a cold front coming in, big changes over the next 24 hours, and the game tomorrow, we're going to be out there, all the fans, it's going to be a whole different thing. Now, we'll be breezy, we'll be dry, west wind will be gusting 20 to 25, temperature at game time 72, not chilly, but much cooler than it was today, and then we'll drop into the 60s and 50s overnight into Thursday morning, and it's going to stay quite breezy. Let me tell you, the wind is going to be a big factor with this whole change happening the next 24, 36, 48 hours. It's 78 outside right now, feels like 80 with a dew point of 71, still very warm, still very humid. It's a little breezy out there as well. Pearland is 78. Angleton, you're 80 right now. Palash is sitting on 80 right now. Feels like a summer evening, one of the last that we'll have. I think this may be the end of any type of summer feel we have until next spring, hopefully. A few little sprinkles, northwest Harris County, Montgomery County up toward Lake Livingston. That's a little rain shower heading up toward Bryan College Station. This is just moisture building ahead of our actual cold front, and you can see the line of thunderstorms beginning to develop now in West Texas in association with that front. That's what's going to push in here tomorrow, and it's early to mid-morning that it moves through the heart of southeast Texas and Houston, and then it races off to the east, and that opens the door to that much more fall-like air we'll have for the end of the week and going into the weekend. Here's a much more high-resolution view of that same computer model. Here's tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Scattered showers, Houston, line of strong to maybe isolated severe storms reaching Columbus to Brenham to College Station by 6:30 in the morning. The greatest threat tomorrow for severe weather will be straight line winds that may gust to 50. It's not out of the question we could see an isolated tornado warning, but I really think that's an outlier. It's straight line wind damage that'll be the biggest threat. It's going to move. By the time we get into 8:30 in the morning, it's into the heart of southeast Texas, from Sugar Land to Pearland to downtown up toward Humble, Kingwood, Cleveland, Livingston. By the time we get to 11 a.m., it's reaching Galveston, the beaches of Crystal Beach, Beaumont, and then it pushes east and we're done with it. And by the afternoon, it's going to clear out. Sun's going to come out. It's going to be a gorgeous afternoon. We'll be in the 70s as we head towards sunset. Now, as far as severe weather threat, Weather Service says it's a 2 out of 5 on the severe weather threat scale. That's relatively low, but we'll be on weather watch tomorrow morning. And I would suggest when you go to bed tonight, turn your app on the KHOU 11 app so you'll get notifications early in the morning. Now the wind. So this is 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. We're clearing out, but winds may gust 25 to 30 in spots tomorrow afternoon and evening. It is going to be a breezy change. We go into Thursday morning, still a little breezy, but look at this. By Thursday afternoon, so not tomorrow, but Thursday afternoon, the wind is forecast to build out of the northwest, gusting 30 to maybe 40 miles an hour in spots. I expect we'll see a wind advisory go up for southeast Texas as we head into Thursday afternoon. That northwest wind will bring in much lower humidity for the rest of the week, and it will last into the Halloween weekend, so it's going to stay comfortable for trick-or-treating on Sunday. We'll be in the 60s, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock for trick-or-treating on Halloween Sunday. That should be perfectly comfortable. Wednesday is an interesting day. Strong storms in the morning, clearing to the west by noon, and then it's gorgeous tomorrow afternoon. The extended forecast lows in the 50s and 40s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday morning. I mean, we get through a rough Wednesday morning tomorrow, guys, and we got it good the rest of the week into Halloween.